Hello everyone. Coming to the next type of the problems, inverse trigonometry functions type tan inverse of 1 by square root of x square minus 1 square root of x square minus 1 where mod x greater than 1. So how to solve these kind of the questions? To solve this kind of the questions, these three formulas are important. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So when it can be used, it can be used at the time of 1 minus x square time. So 1 minus x square, and one particular term is going to be 1 minus x square. If it is coming only 1 minus x square, that time you can use sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1 formula for ice for 1 minus x square. Then sec square theta minus in this case either sine can be used as x, either cos can be used as x. So both the cases can be applicable depending upon the situation for the problem. Now coming to the next, sec square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. If you put x is equals to tan theta here, then x will come, x is equals to tan theta, then tan square theta, if it will become tan square theta. Then sending this term to right hand side, 1 plus tan square theta will become 1 plus x square. So sec square theta is equals to 1 plus x square. So it can be applicable at the time of 1 plus x square when x is equals to tan theta case. What is other? If x is equals to sec theta, then x square minus 1 is equals to tan theta. If x is equals to secant theta here, then it can be written in this way. Tan square theta can be written as, so you can write tan square theta is equals to x square minus 1. You understand the types: 1 minus x square, 1 plus x square minus 1. The same thing can be applicable here also. So either it will be 1 plus x square case, 1 plus x square term, x is equals to cot theta, and other case, if x is equals to cosec theta, then it will become x is equals to cosec theta, then x square minus 1 is equals to cot square theta. So here also you can make it as 1 plus square root of 1 plus x square for this second type, and here also x square minus 1 can be written as square root of. So here also square root of 1 plus x square, square root of x square minus 1. So these both are looking similar. These both are looking similar, and these both are looking similar, but depending upon the situation, either x is equals to secant theta, either x is equals to cosec theta, x is equals to tan theta, or x is equals to cot theta. Just try to understand these three formulas, how it can be applicable and how to apply. And understand here, 1 by square root of x square minus 1 is given, square root of x square minus 1, and it is related to tan inverse. Then where it tan inverse, it should come as tan here, but it is there in the denominator. Then you should consider it for 1 by cot. 1 by cot will become tan, then tan inverse and tan both will cancel. Understand? 1 by cot, where cot will come, so x square minus 1. So see this type, if you put x is equals to cosec theta, then cot square theta is equals to you make it as cot theta. Cot theta is equals to square root of x square minus 1. So understand here, putting x is equals to cosec theta, then square root of x square minus 1 is nothing but cot theta. So from where I am considering it from the cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equals to 1. Then it can be written as tan square tan inverse of 1 by this particular value is nothing but cot theta, and tan inverse of 1 by cot theta is nothing but tan theta. Tan and tan inverse both will cancel, it can be written as theta. Then what is going to be our theta here? So x is equals to cosec theta, then theta can be written as cosec inverse of x, but in the answers it is given as one more also, pi by 2 minus cosec inverse of x. Then how this formula is going to be? Last class, in the last form properties we discussed, cosec inverse x plus secant inverse x is equals to pi by 2. Then cosec inverse x can be written as pi by 2 minus sec inverse x. So both the values are going to be correct. Coming to the next question, tan inverse of square root of 1 plus x square minus 1 by x, x not equals to 0, and above it is given as square root of 1 plus x square. So we can use the formula sec square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. So in this case put x is equals to tan theta, then what is this? Cosec square theta, so it will become 1 plus tan square theta is nothing but 1 plus x square. Cosec theta can be written as square root of 1 plus x square. Now rewrite the same, so tan inverse of what it can be taken, square root of 1 plus x square can be written as sec theta minus 1 by x is nothing but tan theta. So understand here. So I'm considering only this part, sec theta minus 1 by tan theta. So write as 1 by cos theta minus 1 by sin theta by cos theta. It can be written as 1 minus cos theta by cos theta by sin theta by cos theta. Cancel both the cos, so it can be written as, so what it can be written, 1 minus cos theta. So you can see the next step here, 1 minus cos theta by sin theta. 1 minus cos theta can be written as 1 minus cos theta can be written as 2 sin square theta by 2, and 2 sin square theta by 2 by sin theta can be written as 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. 2 2 will cancel, square and sin will cancel. Sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 is equals to tan theta by 2. You are getting the value in terms of tan. In terms of tan, now see, tan inverse of this middle one is tan theta by 2, tan and tan inverse will cancel, theta by 2 is the answer. So what is your theta? Theta is nothing but tan theta, so theta will become tan inverse of x. So this is your particular. Coming to the next question, tan inverse of square root of 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x. So what it can be written, square root of 1 minus cos x can be written as 2 sin square x by 2, and square root of 1 plus cos x is equals to square root of 2 cos square x by 2. You substitute both these values here, then you get in terms of tan. So you try this answer by substituting these two things. Then coming to the next question, tan inverse of cos x minus sin x by cos x plus sin x. So this particular term is very much important in the commutative, and you take up the same cos x minus sin x by cos x plus sin x. It is mentioned in terms of tan inverse, then you make particular term in terms of tan. Then take cos common from the numerator and denominator, so it will become 1 minus sin by cos. So nothing is there, that's why we are cos is not there, that's why it is taking 1 by cos by cos x 1 plus sin x by cos x. Cos and cos will cancel. 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x. So this particular term can be written in terms of tan a plus b form, tan pi by 4 minus x. So you put up this term here, tan inverse of cos x minus sin x by cos x plus sin x is equals to tan inverse of tan pi by 4 minus x. Tan and tan inverse will cancel, so it can be taken as pi by 4 minus x. This is your value. Okay, coming to the next question. Tan inverse of 3a square x minus x cube by a cube minus 3ax square, a greater than 0, minus a by root 3 less than or equals to x less than or equals to x less than or equals to a by root 3. And here put x is equals to a tan theta. Why you are putting x is equals to tan theta here? So understand, x is equals to a tan theta, then it will become a square into a cube tan theta minus x cube. X cube is nothing but a tan theta whole power 3 a cube tan cube theta, and the denominator a cube minus 3a x square is nothing but a square tan square theta. Putting x is equals to a tan theta, then what about this particular 3 a square x minus x cube by a cube minus 3a x square? So how this value will come? It will become 3a square a tan theta minus a cube tan cube theta divided by a cube minus 3 a square. A and a square will become a cube. X square is nothing but tan square theta. So from the numerator and denominator, these a cube terms will be cancelled, so it can be taken as 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. This particular value can be written as tan 3 theta. So what we consider from here, this particular value can be written as tan 3 theta. So tan inverse of tan 3 theta, tan and tan inverse will cancel, is 3 theta. So 3 into theta. So we are taken x is equals to a tan theta, then x by a is equals to tan theta, then tan inverse of x by a is equals to theta here. Then it can be written as 3 tan inverse of x by a. So this is a particular answer.